Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Choma and in today's video we are making plantain porridge. So if you really want to see how I prepare this delicious plantain porridge, please make sure you watch till the end. Now let's get started. And here I have 4 plantain which I will go ahead and cut and peel. And if it's today is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe. Is free of charge. YouTube doesn't charge anything for subscription. So please do me a favor by subscribing and also turning on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video every week for delicious and yummy recipes every week. And the list of all the ingredients that I used will be in the description box below in case if you want to check it out later. And when I'm done peeling the plantain, I will transfer it into a pot, add some water, salt, and I will cover and cook this for 15 minutes. To prepare the sauce, I will be using 1 habanero pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and half of the green bell pepper. I will not be adding fresh tomato, but you can also use fresh tomato to prepare this. I will cut it in small chunks to help the blender. I will also add half onion, and garlic. So I will cover and blend everything together. And I will not be blending it smooth, I will just blend it roughly. And that is done. I will keep it aside for later use. For frying of the sauce, in a clean pot, I will add some red palm oil. When it heats, I will add onion, I will stir fry for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will add in our pepper blend. Then I will add in the remaining onion. Add in some curry powder. Seasoning cube. Salt. I will stir everything together Cover and fry for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what our sauce looks like. You can now see they are now well fried. The oil floating on top is a good sign. I will now add in the cooked plantain, although the plantain is not 100% cooked. I will mix everything together. Wow, this smells so nice, eh? I will cover and allow them to marry each other for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wow, this smells so amazing, eh? I will now add in the protein. I'm using fish, but feel free to use any protein of your choice, meat or fish, whichever one you preferred. So this fish, I just steamed it for 5 minutes with salt, seasoning cube and pepper. After which I fried it. So I will just add it and mix everything together. Lastly, I will add the spinach. Friends, please give this recipe a try. You will never regret it. Just give it a try. You will come back and thank me later because this was so delicious. If you try this recipe, you'll never prepare your plantain porridge any other way. So I will stir everything together. I have already turned off my heat because I don't want the spinach to be overcooked. So to avoid overcooking of the vegetable, I will take them out from the pot. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and don't forget to click that like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and you know that you can always share my video out to your friends and lovely ones. And join me by hitting that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new yummy videos. Okay? Thank you so much for watching today's video and see you in the next video. Bye bye and remain blessed.